Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about a very important topic, and probably a topic about which I have not talked too much about on this channel. I talked about this topic in one of my previous videos very briefly, but I feel like this is the time that all the things that are happening around the world, this is a very good time to make this video. And today I'll be talking about some very important points related to the topic of investment, and I'll also reveal my own portfolio. So I started investing into the stocks back in January of 2021, and I started my crypto portfolio this year in January itself, 2022. So just after 1 year. Firstly, let's talk about why, like briefly, let's talk about why you should be investing. So currently I'm a PhD student. I'm in my final year, third year, and I wanted to start investing like as soon as I am earning something on my own. Let's talk about why you should start investing. So investing helps to keep the value of your money up, and it protects your money from inflation. And guys, inflation is really dangerous because this is something that you cannot see, but it happens. So let's take an example. Currently the rate of inflation in Germany is about 5%. So that means that every year you're losing 5% of your money from your zero konto or current savings account, savings bank account. Now realize this, that for example, if you had 10,000 euros in your bank account, you lost 500 euros due to inflation. And this you don't see the money decreasing 500 euros, and you don't realize that it's happening, but the purchasing power of your money is lost by 5%, and that this happens every year. Now imagine the situation that you lost your wallet which had 500 euros in it, and then you will feel that pain. Okay, and this is the thing, that the things that you cannot see, you don't realize that how it's affecting. So yeah, this is, I would say, the biggest benefit of investing your money. If you are trying to create some sort of passive income, you can do that by investing your money into some dividend, into some companies that pay you dividends. So you will have some kind of passive income as well. And stocks are really the easiest way to earn a passive income. Basically, you're not doing anything, you're just putting your money into some companies, and you get paid dividends like monthly, quarterly, or annually. Then you have tax benefits. The people who do their tax return, they would know that you can declare, so from the long term capital gains, if you're holding a stock for long term, the gains of those stocks, you will get tax benefits compared to an individual who is just paying simple taxes from their salary. It also helps to set you up for your retirement. Now for all my Indian viewers, you would know that there are very few jobs out there that pay out retirement money, and it's really important that you start early to get to an amount where you can comfortably retire, or you have certain amount of capital accumulated in your account that you can retire. And the starting investment into the stock market is probably the easiest way. And if you are someone who is starting today, it's extremely easy to start, firstly because there are so many online brokerages out there. There is no paperwork. You can start with just your smartphone or your laptop, and everything is online. There is no paper contact anywhere, so it's really easy. So that's why I basically started investing. I won't go into like explaining too much. So let's start with the interesting part. So I'll be talking about my own investment portfolio. It's been about 1 year and 1 month since I started investing into the stock market. So I've learned a lot in the past year. So this is my investment portfolio currently. So the biggest holding I have is Tesla. It comprises about 49% of my portfolio. The current price of Tesla is 728.8 euros, and my average price was is 582.51 euros. So I'm up in this position. My second holding is American Express. I like this company a lot. It totally weighs about 13% of my overall portfolio. The current price is 153.85 euros, and my average price is 140.77. So I'm also up in this. Next is SL Green Realty. This is a REIT. It's a real estate investment business, and it comprises about 8% of my portfolio, and I am also up in this. My average price is 64.68, and the current price is 72.25. Next is Alibaba Group. So this is a Chinese company, and it's like a conglomerate. So it's a huge company, and they own several types of businesses, and I like this company, and I am a lot down in this company right now. As you can see, the current price is 79.45, and I am afraid that it's going to go down more, and my average price is 135.05. That currently comprises like 8% of my portfolio. But if it goes even more down, I have some estimate, and accordingly I will dollar cost average more into this position. But I am not buying anything right now. My next position is an ETF. This is Invesco EQQ Nasdaq 100. I'm also down here, so this is 4% of my portfolio. Next is Meta. So this is a recent position that I opened. It weighs about 4% right now, and I'm also down here, but I might add more into this position. So my current price, the current price is 171, and my average price is 252. So I will add to this position and in some time, and I'll dollar cost average. The next stock is Google. So I own a very small 3% of my portfolio is Google, and I'm also down here, as you can see. Next is an ETF Core MSCI World. This is 2% of my portfolio. The current price is 71.99, and the average price is 73.54. So I'm down here also. Next is another ETF. This is a semiconductor ETF. It comprises of major companies like NVIDIA, AMD, and so on that manufactures the semiconductor chips. And I'm also down here. So the current price is 4.39, and the average price is 5. Next is I also own some crypto. So this is 3% of my overall portfolio. So I mostly own like crypto and Bitcoin and Ethereum. And if I roughly say that Bitcoin is 60% and crypto is about 40% of the portfolio. And rest I have like 4% cash lying around in my portfolio right now. Currently, if you see that here, everything is down pretty much, starting from here, Alibaba to the core MSCI semiconductors, all these companies, they are in the red zone. I am down in every position, and I'm only up in these 3 positions. And also my crypto portfolio is also up. If you are not if you are someone that who has no idea about how to start investing basically, then it's completely fine, because if you asked me this question, how to start investing, and what is the best app out there, I had no idea about this in if 1 year back. But so the brokerage that I use is Scalable Capital. That's I found it one of the best in Germany, for even for the German people and also for the expats. It's really easy to invest these days, and this is my overall portfolio, guys. Now in this current crash time, I would share some points what I'm doing with my portfolio right now. So basically, I'm not selling, or not neither I'm not selling anything. All these positions that I have, I am holding everything. These are basically my long-term positions. I might add some into some of these positions, but I'm not selling anything. I am planning to buy into some new positions, but it completely depends on how the stock plays. Right now, I am not buying anything because right now everything is going down, and I'm not sure when it's going to bottom. But the best strategy I see out there is that buy slow, like buy small. I'm buying very low quantities and just dollar cost averaging. That's, I think, the best strategy, and the safest strategy. That was it, guys, for this video. I would really like to see your feedback on my investment video, since this is like the first proper video that I made on investment. If you want me to make more such videos, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button if you like this video. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. That's it. Bye bye.